Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see you running through that open door. I believe I can fly. They like that. They like to hear me sing. I believe I can fly. Why was R. Kelly singing like that? Seriously. You know, good and well, you cannot fly, bro. You don't have wings.
He wasn't talking about literally flying. I think he was talking about, you know, how you can do anything.
Yeah.
Like we say, you can, like
you can walk. Believe you can walk.
Like the Bible says, you can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. That's what he was, I think, kind of trying to say. Like, you can do all things. I can conquer whatever I put my mind to. Yeah, they're contemplating life at this point.